still on preparation of solution, we'll look at another example. Alright, so this example is a little bit different, but it's the same, similar, just that the units are slightly different. Alright, so the question is this. Okay, prepare a 0.65 microgram per ml solution. Alright, giving 1 gram of paracetamol, alright, and 200 ml of distilled water. So you're giving 1 gram of paracetamol and you're also giving 200 ml of distilled water to be able to prepare 0.65 micrograms per ml of solution. Alright, so now let us solve this. Okay, let us solve this. So now the weight of the solids that you're giving, weight of paracetamol that you're giving is 1 gram. Volume of distilled water that you're giving is 200 ml. Then the concentration you're told to prepare is 0.65 micrograms per ml. 0.65 micrograms per ml. So now it's very important for us to actually, first of all, get the actual weight that can be gotten from, because you're giving 1 gram. 1 gram, you cannot just carry 1 gram and pour inside 200 ml. No, no. You need to prepare the solution well by using the actual mass or weight that will be required to give you this particular solution. Alright, this particular solution with this concentration. So now look at this, guys. So now, what do you say? You say if 0.65 micrograms is equal to 1 ml. That is, if 0.65 micrograms will give you 1 ml. Then you say X will be equal to 200 ml. X will be equal to 200 ml. So now for us to get the unknown, X now will be equal to 0.65 micrograms times 200 ml. Then divided by what? 1 ml. Ml will cancel you. Alright? Ml will cancel you. So it means that 0.65 micrograms times 200 will give us what? What will it give us, class? 180. 130, right? So 130 what? Micrograms. Alright? But look at this. Our weighing scale can not measure micrograms. It will most likely measure grams. So we need to convert these micrograms to grams. But let us make our statement first. Alright? Let's make our statement first. But okay, we'll make our statement, but let's convert. Let's just convert. So we have 130 micrograms. Let's convert it. These are the actual mass that will be divided into 100 to get this concentration, and 200 rather. Alright? Is 130 micrograms in 200 ml. Alright? So it means that every 1 microgram, every 1 microgram or every 0.65 microgram, alright, in 1 ml would be present in 130 micrograms of 200 ml. So now look at this, guys. Now, for us to convert 130 micrograms to grams, please look at this relationship. I told you before that 1 milligram is equals to 1,000 microgram. Okay, 1 milligram is equals to 1,000 microgram, right? But now, first of all, 1 gram is equals to 1,000 milligram, is it not? 1 gram is equals to 1,000 milligram, 1 milligram is equals to 1,000 microgram. So it means that 1 gram will be equals to 1 million microgram. That is this times this. If 1 gram is equals to 1,000 milligram, 1 milligram is equals to 1,000 microgram, it means that 1 gram will be equals to 1,000 times 1,000, which is 1 million microgram. So it means that to convert 130 microgram to grams, we have to divide it by 1 million. We have to divide it by what? 1 million. Alright? So when we divide 130 by 1 million, what will we get? 130 divided by 1 million is what? 0.00 what? How many zeros?
3 zeros.
3 zeros after the decimal point, right? 00 what? 13 zeros. 13, right? Good. So it means that this is the mass in grams. Alright? This is the mass in grams. So what do we say? We say measure 130 micrograms in bracket 0.00013 grams, okay, of what? Paracetamol and dissolve in 200 ml. Dissolve in 200 ml, right? Okay, let me clean the down part. And dissolve in 200 ml of distilled water. To obtain what is the concentration? 0.65, right? To obtain 0.65 milligrams per ml solution. Milligrams per ml solution. Alright? So
Micrograms.
okay, it was micrograms here. So it was micrograms, not milligrams. So the concentration is in micrograms, not milligrams. So 0.65 micrograms per ml solution. So that is the solution to this particular question. Alright? So